Hello friends, my name is Nandita. Welcome to my YouTube channel ND Study Point. Today we discuss Indian polity questions. It is the first class. We start from making of the constitution. Let's start. Question number 1. Who is the father of the Indian constitution? Option A. M.N. Roy, B. Motilal Nehru, C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and D. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. And your correct answer is option C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He is also referred to as father of the Indian Constitution. He was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly and played a central role in drafting and framing the Indian Constitution. Next question. First time Purna Swaraj Day was celebrated on which date? Option A. November 26, 1929, B. January 26, 1929, C. November 26, 1930, and D. January 26, 1930. The correct answer is option D. January 26, 1930. Purna Swaraj was adopted in the Lahore session of Congress in December 1929. The public declaration was made on 26 January 1930. Next question. Who coined the new name of drafting committees as drafting committee for a longer time consuming drafting? Option A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Sardar Patel, C. Naziruddin Ahmed, and D. Granville Austin. The correct answer is option C. Naziruddin Ahmed. Next, drafts of the constitution was passed and adopted by Constituent Assembly on which date? Option A. November 24, 1949. Option B. November 26, 1949. C. January 24, 1950. And D. January 26, 1950. The correct answer is option B. November 26, 1949. Some extra information. Constitution was comprised of the preamble, 395 article, and 8 schedules. Next question. Which of the following is not a major committee? Option A. Finance and Staff Committee, B. Advisory Committee, C. Steering Committee, and D. State Committee. The correct answer is option A. Finance and Staff Committee, because it is a minor committee. Next question. The idea of the Constituent Assembly for India was put forward same time in 1934 by option A. B.G. Tilak, B. M.K. Gandhi, C. M.N. Roy, and D. Motilal Nehru. The correct answer is option C. M.N. Roy. He is also the communist movement in India. Next question. In which year did the Indian National Congress INC for the first time demand a Constituent Assembly? Option A. 1934, B. 1935, C. 1936, and D. 1937. The correct answer is option B. 1935. In 1935, INC for the first time demanded a Constituent Assembly. Next question. What was the total strength of the Constituent Assembly in 1946? Option A. 292, B. 296, C. 389, and D. 412. The correct answer is option C. 389. and there are 93 seats to princely state, 296 British India, and 292 members from 11 governor provinces. Next question, drafting committee had how many members? Option A 5, B 7, C 11, and D 13. The correct answer is option B 7. It was 7-member committee. Next question, the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly was option A Sachidananda Sinha, B K.M. Munshi, C B.N. Rao, and D T.T. Krishnamachari. The correct answer is option C B.N. Rao. He is served as the constitutional advisor to the Assembly, played a significant role in the Constituent Assembly of India. Next question, the Mountbatten Plan is also called the Partition Plan. On which date Mountbatten Plan was accepted by both Muslim League and Congress? Option A June 3, 1946, B June 13, 1946, C June 3, 1947, and D June 30, 1947. The correct answer is option C June 3, 1947. The Mountbatten Plan, officially known as the Mountbatten Plan for the Partition of India, was a proposal put forward by Lord Louis Mountbatten in June 1947. Next question, which of the following was not a member of the Constituent Assembly? Option A Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B M.K. Gandhi, C H.C. Mukherjee, and D Dr. Sachidananda Sinha. The correct answer is option B M.K. Gandhi. Next, which of the following was elected as the President of the Constituent Assembly? Option A Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B Jawaharlal Nehru, C H.C. Mukherjee, and D Dr. Sachidananda Sinha. The correct answer is option A Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Next, which one of the following were elected as Vice President of the Constituent Assembly? Option A H.C. Mukherjee, B V.T. Krishnamachari, C both, and D none of the above. The correct answer is option C. Both are Vice President of the Constituent Assembly, H.C. Mukherjee and V.T. Krishnamachari. Next question, on which date did the Constituent Assembly hold its first meeting? Option A November 9, 1946, B December 9, 1946, C November 9, 1947, and D December 9, 1947. The correct answer is option B December 9, 1946. The first meeting of the Constituent Assembly of India took place on December 9, 1946. At this historic session, temporary rule were adopted Dr. Sachidananda Sinha. Next question, how many members attended the first meeting of the Constituent Assembly? Option A 296, B 211, C 208, and D 312. The correct answer is option B 211. Members are attended and Muslim boycotted. Next question, first time Purna Swaraj Day was celebrated on which date? Option A November 26, 1929, B January 26, 1929, C. November 26, 1930 and D. January 26, 1930. I think this question is repeated, so please comment the answer. The answer is option D. January 26, 1930. This was adopted in Lahore session of Congress in December 1929. Publicly declared was made on January 26, 1930. Next question. On which of the following dates did the Constituent Assembly of India adopted the national flag? Option A 22 January 1950, B 24 January 1950, C 22 July 1947 and D 22 July 1948. The correct answer is option C 22 July 1947. Next question. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Option A fundamental rights comes from USA, Dietary Principle of State Policy comes from Ireland. Option C residual power of center comes from Australia and option D emergency power comes from Germany. Which of the following is correctly matched? The correct answer is option C residual power of center, Australia. Next question. Which of the following was elected as the temporary president of the Constituent Assembly? Option A Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B Jawaharlal Nehru, C H.C. Mukherjee, D Dr. Sachidananda Sinha. The correct answer is option D Sachidananda Sinha. He is the oldest member of the Constituent Assembly. Next question. Which of the following was the head of the Minority Subcommittee? Option A J.B. Kripalani, B H.C. Mukherjee, C Gopinath Bardoli and D Jawaharlal Nehru. The correct answer is option B H.C. Mukherjee. Next question. Which of the following is not a major committee? Option A Finance and Staff Committee, B Advisory Committee, C Steering Committee and D State Committee. The correct answer is option A the Finance and Staff Committee. Because it was not a major committee, it is a minor committee. Next question. Who is considered to be the architect of the Indian Constitution? Option A Jawaharlal Nehru, B Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, C Rajendra Prasad and D B.N. Rao. This question comes in PCS Clerkship 1995. The correct answer is option B B.R. Ambedkar. Next question. In which year did India become a republic? Option A 1949, B 1950, C 1951 and D 1952. This question also comes in PCS 1999. The correct answer is option B 1950. Next question. The Constitution of India comes into force on which of the following days? Option A December 9, 1946, B 26 January 1949, C 26 January 1950 and D November 26, 1950. The correct answer is option C 26 January 1950. Last question. The member of the Constituent Assembly are option A directly elected by the people of India, B elected by the member of the Provincial Legislative Assembly, option C nominated by the government and D representative from only feudal states. The correct answer is option B, elected by the member of the Provincial Legislative Assembly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.